first walk in, you see the couch. It's just like a regular kind of standard looking couch. It has a nice kind of taupey brownness to it. I got it from Ashley's Furniture. And I just put a throw on here from Pier 1. All of the pillows are also from Pier 1. It's a really comfortable couch. Every single person who has sat on it has mentioned how comfortable it is. So I love that. Over here, it's like a little side table. The legs are silver and then the top of it is glass. I don't even know where I got this from, but I think it was like Ross or something, one of those stores. There's nothing in it, but I like it for decoration. Anything with glass on it just always looks really pretty. And then I have this picture frame. I got this from, I believe, Michael's. And everything is kind of shabby chic looking. It gets really rusty looking, and I love that. And then I have this fake plant. I think I got this from Target. Over here I have this vase. I got this from One Kings Lane, and I have 2 of these. There's another one in my bedroom. And this is a really interesting looking tree I got from Michael's. It was like during the holiday season. I love the detailing that was on it, and it has like fake dirt in there. It's really pretty. It's painted white though. It's just wood that was painted into white. This chair right here is just from like a furniture store, like a random furniture store that I walked into, and it kind of has that pleated back. I guess that's what it's called. I don't know. But it's really comfortable. It's not really well made. It was really cheap. I just kind of wanted something on the side right here. So it's not something I'm going to keep for a long time, but I love the concept of the chair. It's very cute. And this pillow is another pillow I picked up from Pier 1. I like all of the little details on it. It's a really, really pretty pillow. And this right here is the matching table to the side table, so the legs are very similar. And it's also glass. I just have a few magazines here. When people come over, they can just kind of take a glance at different people that I love. This is from Home Goods, and it's just like a tray, but I put the remote on it along with my coasters. And then right here is the TV, and it's just on like a regular basic stand. And that noise you hear in the background, that's my washing machine. And this over here is just my gym clothes and everything that I take when I go to the gym. So this is my kitchen. Over here is a tray that I picked up from Home Goods. It's the same one that's on my other table. It's just bigger. And I just have a candle, always have a candle burning here. And I always have like a fake plant. And I wanted to incorporate white into the kitchen. It's like a lot of the darker woods and the silver. So I wanted to add a little bit of white to that. So that's why we have these fake white flowers, have some mints. It's a little island here, but I like that it has some drawers here for forks and knives and pots and pans. I won't get too in depth with the kitchen, but you know, it's just your standard stovetop, microwave. I have my electric kettle, which I absolutely love. Over here, I just have my cooking supplies, forks and knives. The egg cooker. If you don't have an egg cooker, you are missing out. I have the toaster. And this is just a sink, and I have this little plant from IKEA. I'm making dinner for a friend today, so that's why you see all this food over here, making some shrimp pasta. Alright, so this is my dining area. It's just like a little section right over here. And it's very simple, very minimalistic. This is just a standard 4-seater table. It's very high up from the floor. And this is a fake plant. I got this plant from Target. Right over here is a curtain rod that broke. If you guys watch my vlog channel, then you know what happened to my curtain in my bedroom. So the rod is just kind of sitting here. Over on this side, I have this message hanging here, which I really love all the things that it says on it. These are values that I definitely grew up with and I'm also going to uphold. So it's really, really cute. I like it. It looks like a chalkboard, but it still is kind of rusty, kind of rustic. This right here is a wood carving that I got in Ghana. The detailing on here is actually really beautiful. You can't even pick it up on the camera, but it says Akwaba, which means welcome in Tree, which is the language, the Ashanti people, and she's carrying a little baby on her back with the cloth. That's how we carry our children when they're little, with the cloth or the intoma. And yeah, this is a really cute. I'm gonna have to find a better place to put it. It's sitting here only because it doesn't go with anything in my apartment as far as like the colors and stuff, so I'm kind of have to just play around and figure out where I'm gonna put that. The bed, I have this dresser, and once again all of the furniture is from Ashley Furniture. The bed frame, the dresser, and then the side table. This is a little really cheapy like glass, I don't even know what you would call this, tray. I got this from I think the dollar store, so this is $1, and I like the glass because it reflects and it just opens up the room really nice. And so I put like my jewelry here. If I'm laying down in bed and I don't feel like getting up to put my jewelry in the case, I'll just put my watch or whatever here. And then I have a journal, got that from Home Goods, and this is the same one that's in the living room from 1 Kings Lane. And then this lamp is from Pier 1. It says ideas on it. It just kind of goes well with everything else, and it's from Home Goods. I like it because the lines are really thick, so it gives me a lot of room to write here. And then in these drawers I keep like my devotionals and stuff in here, and then in this drawer I have like my camera equipment and that kind of stuff. So starting from here, we have this little bag that I put my laundry in. It's really cute. I picked it up online from West Elm, and it looks like kind of shabby chic. It has the ruffles on it. It's really big, so it can fit a lot of clothes. And I love it because it looks like decoration just sitting here. It doesn't look like laundry. It just gives the room a really nice touch. Over here I have this plant. It's not a real plant, it's also a fake plant I got from Michael's, and the plant is just sitting down here. And I got this kind of like stringy, there's a name for this, cannot remember the name of it, but it's kind of like a hammock for the plants. And I picked this up on Etsy online, so I ordered it online. They have different sizes, and it's really, really, really cute. It adds a nice touch to the room. You see it in all my videos. So So over here I have this little antique looking side table slash, I don't know what you would really categorize this as, but I love the details on it. It's white, but it's kind of like rustic, and it has little hints of like brown on it. It's really nice. I love it. And then this plant I got from Target. It's just like a regular big looking leafy plant. Okay, so over here is like a little holder for my watches. I got it from Home Goods, and it has like little jewels. Ignore the washer, please. And I just have like my work watches in here, and like some of my more like higher end watches in here. This is where I keep, because I do try to be a minimalist as the best I can. I have like my work jewelry in here, nothing fancy at all, just in this little, I don't even know where I got this from, but it broke anyway. So, and then I have this little bouquet of white roses that have lots of dust on them, and I think this was from Home Goods. I like how the bottom of it has that kind of like weaving. That's really cool. And then I have this little candlestick holder. I didn't put candles in it because I felt like it would just be too long on the wall, but you just have it sitting there like this. And then over here is this little angel. I got this from a Christian bookstore. She's so cute, so beautiful, little black angel. I love her natural hair, her little wings. So it's kind of rusted. I like that. These picture frames, I have 2 of them, and they're from Pier 1. But once again, it has that kind of like shabby chic, rusted look on it. It's really pretty. And this is a candle holder from Bath & Body Works. I don't have a candle in right now because I'm packing up, but it's a candle holder. And this is from Michael's. It's a little tray, and on the bottom is glass. No, the glass is dirty. And I just put my perfumes on here. So these are just the perfumes I'm wearing right now. The Olympia. And this is a Miami Glow. This is great for the summertime. And then this is a Chloe Love Story. And then I just have my roller balls, or my little spray perfumes sitting here. This is one of my absolute favorites. This is a summer scent for me. This is just kind of like something random I have. So it's that same box, it's just bigger, and it has 3 shelves instead of 2. And so at the top, I keep like my really simple jewelry and little necklaces. These are just like regular necklaces that I wear to work and stuff. And then I have like my Afrocentric kind of jewelry, bracelets and stuff like that. In this drawer here, I have the rest of my jewelry. I really cut down. You would be surprised how much I had before. It was crazy. It's not as much as it looks like, but these shelves I got from Home Goods, and I have 2 of them. And I just kind of stick my earrings in here. Most of these are like costume kind of jewelry, I guess you could call it. I have just like random stuff in here. This stuff needs to get cleaned out. It's nothing major. And then on this side I have hanging necklaces, like ones that are really, really long. I just have them hanging back here. So unfortunately, guys, I wasn't able to show you the other side of my bedroom, which has my vanity. As you can see here, it's like an all white vanity. I have my makeup items on it and some of my skincare items, and I have this lamp because there's no light in this section of the room. And it came with a little chair that I just sit on and do my makeup. I got it from one of those kind of like hole in the wall furniture shops, so it's not something that I can point you in the direction of picking up, but it was great because it had 3 sides, and it also had some drawers at the bottom where I could put my makeup in. So it was a really nice little addition to my bedroom. First in my bathroom, let's start off with this. I have my products for my face. So these are all my face care products just kind of lined up right here on the side. And then I just have my toiletry items. And I usually have like a candle burning right here. And this is my mouthwash from Aesop. The best mouthwash ever. Doesn't even burn. It tastes just like spearmint. I love the jar. It just looks really cool sitting on your bathroom counter. My toothpaste, my toothbrush. My bathroom is not really decorated, guys. I just have like, this is stuff that's actually really cool if you've ever seen it. It's called post-poo drops. After you use the restroom, you just drop a couple drops in the toilet and it changes like the whole aroma of the room. It actually smells really good. It's a really cool little thing. And then this is just like a regular room freshener. I got this one from Target and I just have it sitting up here on top of the toilet. Got a normal shower here with the glass. In the corner here I have this little rack that holds all of my face care products. So I just have like the basic stuff that I use to take off my makeup. I have this is my new favorite face wash from Lather. And then down here I have all of my masks that I use on my face. So yeah, this is where I kind of keep all of that stuff. And then I just have a scale and my towel. My bathroom is really simple. And that's it, guys. Thank you so much for watching my minimalist apartment tour. Be sure to stay tuned because I have an updated shabby chic minimalist room tour coming up with my new apartment, so you can see exactly what that looked like. I appreciate you guys watching and I'll see you in the next video.